guys, welcome back to our channel. So we have a super fun video today. We wanted to film like a fun video, nothing like serious.
I was like, let's just do something fun. You know, we haven't really been filming for a while. Kind of like took a break, but new year, same us, but you know, better stuff. Better. We're back and we're better.
So today we have for you guys a very fun Would You Rather tag. It's not like your typical Would You Rather with just like the makeup and beauty questions. It's kind of like, I don't know, like funner questions, like scenarios and things like that.
Everything.
I googled it, came across some questions. So
without further ado, let's just jump right into it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be reading off of my phone the questions. There's not too many, but again, I thought they were like pretty cute. I'm just gonna like go through them randomly. Don't read them. I like surprises. Okay, would you rather give up your makeup or cell phone for 1 year?
Makeup.
Cell phone. Why? I like
you can't live without makeup.
Use my phone.
Okay, but wait, you need your phone.
Give it up though. Yeah, I can live without makeup. I mean, what?
You said yeah.
Yeah, I give up my cell phone.
So you'd rather choose makeup. So you're gonna have makeup, but what are you gonna do with the makeup? You can't take a picture of yourself.
I don't
care.
Do
anything.
Okay. Who is like
it's not like
and can live without their phone?
I can live.
We need to disconnect people.
We need to without my phone.
We need to interact.
Hold on. I could live without my phone, but if you had the choice to choose between having your phone or makeup, like that's kind of obvious. Like you'd obviously choose your phone. Like you need your phone in this generation. Like I don't know where you're living.
But I'm sorry, because if your makeup is on fleek.
Yeah, ain't nobody gonna see it though. You can't put it on your
You go out in the world, you meet people, you mingle, you talk, you socialize. That's what life is about. Get off your phones, get off your
next question.
Technology.
That was really dumb. Next question.
That's my opinion. If you like my answer, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, next question. Would you rather your armpits smell musky?
No.
Or like delicious lasagna? This is a stupid question.
Yeah, that's really stupid. Like,
okay.
Anything but musty armpits, please.
Would you rather run into a cute guy you like with food all in your mouth or no makeup at all?
No makeup? What the hell?
No makeup. You guys, honestly, like one of my biggest fears in life is having food in my teeth.
Ew.
I'm traumatized. It happened to me before. I'm not gonna lie. My friend didn't tell me. That's not a good friend. If something is on your face or in your teeth or anything is wrong, please let the person know. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. So my biggest fear, like having anything in my teeth, every time I finish eating, I literally do this. I'm like,
we do the same thing. We're like
literally, I have to make sure there's nothing in my teeth. So definitely no makeup. Next question. Would you rather walk around all day with your skirt tucked in your underwear or be seen wearing a really see-through dress?
See-through dress.
See-through dress.
Yeah, because like, okay, you're walking around all day with your underwear out. Like, why not wear a see-through dress and make it seem like that's a look rather than like being embarrassed and like.
That's a good.
You know what I mean? Because like nowadays,
like
that's kind of a look. Like people wear see-through dresses with like, you know, the bandeau top and like the high-waisted like bottoms or whatever. So I think it could be a look. I would just rock
it could definitely be a look. I feel like, yeah, no, definitely see-through dress. Would you rather go to a party and not realize until the end of the night that you have lipstick on your teeth, or that your false lashes are coming unglued?
False lashes. Ew, why would you want lipstick on your teeth? Yeah, like half the time when I wear false lashes, they're coming off my eyes anyway, so I'd rather.
I mean, I never wear false lashes unless you put them on.
No, I never do that, but like if it's like a wedding or
probably.
something like fancy and I have false lashes, I'm like, they're half the time like at the end of the night coming off anyway, so whatever.
Yeah, I'd have to agree. Would you rather forget to put mascara on one eye or forget blush on one side of your face? Blush.
So mascara only on one eye or blush only on one side of your face? Mm-hmm. So you'd pick only having blush on one side of your face?
Mm-hmm. I would, because for me, when I put mascara on, it makes a difference, and so I love to have mascara on.
I would rather than blush too, because like I don't really wear like heavy blush anyway, so I feel like
you have to wear heavy blush.
Why? It doesn't say that. No,
that's what it means.
No, it just says blush, and I don't wear like bright or heavy blush anyways. So I'd rather have it on my face. Next question.
Next question. Would you rather wear lipstick and lip liner? This is such a silly question. Would you rather wear lipstick and lip liner or frosted blue eyeshadow?
That's dumb.
Okay. Would you rather wear foundation that is 2 shades too light or go way overboard on bronzer?
Light. Wait, yeah, light. Wait, but can you still wear bronzer if you wear the light foundation?
I mean, it didn't say.
So I guess you can just, yeah. So I'd rather go too light and then just wear enough bronzer
Even
to
it
make
out
it
with
look
makeup.
normal.
Yeah. Would you rather drink an entire bottle of ketchup or run into the guy who broke your heart on a bad hair day when your skin is freaking out?
Okay, give me the ketchup. I'm trying to
Give me the ketchup. No straw, just straight out the bottle. It's all good. No. Would you rather be able to date any celeb you wanted or wake up with perfect red carpet worthy hair?
I like my hair, so probably to date a celebrity.
Who?
It's a hard question. I had to think about it. Drake.
Drake?
Yeah.
Really?
How cool to date Drake? That would be so cool.
Yeah, that would be cool. Drake, if you're watching this video, we totally love you. I don't know who I would pick. Who would I pick?
I feel like you would pick, I know who you would pick. Who's that guy? Miley Cyrus's,
Liam Hemsworth?
Yeah?
No, that's not who I would pick, but he's so cute.
Who would
I
you
would pick Ryan Gosling.
Okay.
Because he's so dreamy and he's like
Basic.
perfection. It's not basic, he's perfection.
He is, I love him, but...
Let's see, I don't know if there's any more questions. My phone just died.
No.
Oh, okay, no, we're good. Okay, I think this is the last question I have here. Would you rather rock no makeup
What's up
and
with these
have perfect
questions?
hair?
What's wrong with wearing no makeup? I don't understand.
No makeup and perfect hair
Okay.
for a year.
Yeah.
Or perfect makeup and messy hair.
No, I'd rather do...
Look how she starts talking all this smack and then she's like thinking about it.
Well... Like how messy is messy?
Messy, like super messy. Like super messy.
Okay, I'd probably do perfect hair and no makeup.
I would do perfect makeup and messy hair.
Really?
My hair is literally messy like 90% of the time.
That's true. No, but like messy. Like
yeah,
all
messy.
over the place.
Yeah, it's a look. I'll rock it. It's a look.
Yeah. Okay.
Makeup on
I don't
that
know.
week is a good day. So I think that's it. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any other videos like this, comment down below. We're thinking of doing the this or that tag. I thought that was cute.
Yeah.
Or
I don't know what that is, but yeah, we'll do that.
yeah, or if you want to see any other videos.
Or if you guys like our challenge videos, we like doing those. I like doing them, they're fun. Or if you guys want to see more like beauty, fashion, let us know what you guys want to see.
Yeah, just comment down
we can
below.
do more of that this year.
And as always, we love you guys so much.
So much.
We will see you guys in our next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in our next one. All the love.